I turned on your camera.
You just turned your camera on to show
Yeah,
what?
because I just realised. Let me show you too.
Okay. Where is our hero? Okay, he came. Okay. Okay. No problem. Look here. Look here. Sorry. I went to X for emergency. Okay. Likewise, you need to check 9 buttons. Suppose if you are doing with a 4 cross pro, you need to check 16 button at a stretch. 15 button at least. 15 button. Button 1 should have 1. Button 2 should have 2. Likewise, button 9 should have 9. Suppose if they get correctly, all gets true, the if condition comes inside. Here you need to type you need to show your label box visible true. Which label box? The win label box. This label box. You won the game. You can show this message. You won the game. Using timer, you can blink the label every second. Every second, you just make it visible true, and next second you make it as a false. That makes just visible. Make it like a blink. Likewise, it will show. First second it will visible, second it will won't visible. Like a blink. It will act like a blink. You can make it like that in using the timer. Okay? Try yourself. Once whenever they move, it will automatically gets called total move. In that move, the total moves reached 100. It will get the it will get actually it will get disabled. It will stop actually. So inside that, suppose within else you can do the button check. Suppose within the less than 100, which means less than 100, it will come and check the winning status. After winning status, you can show your label. Label 1 dot visible is equal to true. What the label name? Label 1. Correct. Once you get properly arranged, once you get the winning, it will show the particular label. You won the game. Here you can use the timer. We will see tomorrow how make it a label as a blink status. You can try. You can start the clock. You can start the timer here. That is timer dot start. Okay. Then within the timer, you if the label is visible true, then make it a false. Then else if the label visible is equal to false, then make it a true. So every second, set the clock second as 1,000 millisecond, which means 1 second. Every 1 second, it gets true, and the next second it gets false. Then and the next seconds again it will get true. So the blink status will come. Blink animation, you can see that. Okay. Can you understand what I am saying? Trying to say.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I will send the copy of the code. Okay, completely. Um, through
Copy.
WhatsApp. I will
Okay.
may I send the code through WhatsApp?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I just send the coding alone. It will be easy to you. I pasted.
250
Okay.
minutes.
Bomba cloud.
Send the code. Okay, completely. I have sent. You checked it later. If you have any doubt, just see the code. Otherwise, try yourself. Then only you can get understand. So don't just write yourself. Try to write yourself. Okay, one by one, one by one. You need to write it. You just take the notes like this and then write the code. Then only you can understand. You can make something else. So now it's Perfect, no? Now it's perfect. Suppose if I get 1 and 2, because I checked only 1 and 2 only. So if I get 1 here and 2 here, I can able to see the result as winning. Now I am going to win. Look here. I'm going to move this because I need to check this two line. Now I'm winning. You won the game. Because I checked only two variables, two buttons text.
Yeah.
So likewise you need to check all those buttons together. Then only you show the message. Then you can reset it again. So I need to hide this label also in reset. So you need to write the code again, go to reset button again, then you need to hide not this one also now. So double click on the reset and like you win. You need to reset that button also, that label also, because we reset, no, we want to play again, so I want to reset again. It is one. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, bye. Tomorrow we will see. Bye. Bye, Rishu.
Hi.
Rishu,
Yeah.
tomorrow try to do, okay?
Yeah.
Try to do anything.
Wait,
Any single
what's the
program you should
homework?
try. Okay, Gana?
It's just the puzzle, but we have to expand it.
Okay.
I think.
Okay.
What's the homework?
I just said it.
What's the homework?
Puzzle game
Yeah,
and then
like expand the puzzle.
mark
Just expand the
statement,
puzzle.
timer
Oh, okay.
clock, stop and stop the timer clock, everything.
Okay.
Oh, it's
Wish Sharu
swelling.
announce your legs.
Oh,
Rishi, why are you sitting on the floor?
Because I can't
Hello.
sit on the table because I stretched my tendons, my
oh,
veins.
Rishi, where's the thing? In
What?
you said at Diamond Jubilee.
Yeah. What about it?
When are you going?
I'm not sure what time it is.
How do we know about it?
Kevin. I mean, not Kevin. Who's it? Eric told me.
Okay.
I'll give you a call. Goodbye.
okay.
Bye.
Take care of
Bye.
yourself, Rishu. Then,
Okay.
in meantime, just try. Okay, no problem. Take care first.
Okay.
Health is so important.
Okay. Bye.
Mm. Bye, bye then.